I've always had problems with my teeth from quite a young age. I remember my father saying to me, one bit of advice I give you, son, is always look after your teeth. Unfortunately, I didn't really listen to his advice, and I think I just was always a bit one of those unlucky children that didn't really do so well with their teeth. And at a quite early age, I'd say I was 25 at the time, I started to have quite a few fillings, then went down the line of having crowns, bridges, and to the point that when I was in my mid-30s, I was having to have teeth extracted because they couldn't then do a bridge any further than it had gone. So I think I was 38 when I got my first plate with partial dentures on. And for me at that age, it hit me quite hard actually, because I'm a very outgoing person. It affected me quite a lot having to wear a partial denture, especially because being in the fire service, of course, at that time I was sleeping in a dormitory full of firefighters. Now what you don't want to be doing is at that time taking your teeth out at night and putting them in a glass at the side of your bed. So I was against the direction of the dentist having to wear the denture through the night as well. It affected my speech, and there was on a couple of occasions where the denture actually snapped. I started to research different ways of addressing the situation, and I knew about dental implants. I'd looked into them quite a bit because I researched things quite heavily. My decision to go with Brighton Implant Clinic was mainly because of the reputation that I'd heard about it. I've researched Dr. Silva, and the reports coming back from people I'd spoken to were very good, speaking highly of the practice and Dr. Silva himself. The whole experience for me has been enjoyable in a strange way, because you enter into the first process, which is where, personally for me, I had teeth extracted and then the all-on-4 put in. But to walk out with a new set of teeth the same day is just phenomenal. Not having a partial denture, not feeling conscientious about the fact that you've got a partial denture in. So it's almost been like every time you come to the dentist, there's something new you're going away with. It's vastly improved my day-to-day activities. It's given me the confidence again to be quite outgoing. I'm an outgoing character anyway, but to actually have a full set of teeth, top and bottom, without having to wear partial dentures, has just been fantastic for me. People have seen a change in my character, much more back to my bubbly self that I used to be. It's gone beyond my expectations, if I was brutally honest. The fact that the teeth, as near as you can be, feel like your own. They're so secure, solid, you feel confident in yourself, and you're able to eat foods that you couldn't eat before. Now, I do have this theory, sometimes things seem too good to be true. And if you're saving half the money what you thought you'd be spending on implants, you think, well, where's the catch? But the reason I've asked to do this on camera is because I want to save people time from having to research all the dentists and just say there's nothing hidden, there's no trickery, it really is that good. And I'd recommend definitely Dr. Silva and all the staff here as well.